Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Sparkling Shar. First off, I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. I'm so excited to have more subscribers to my channel, which is a good thing. If you're watching for the first time, please click like and subscribe, and I will definitely subscribe and support your channel as well. So without further ado, let's get started. I was coming to you today to show you some notepads that I had made. These actually are from the Dollar Tree. These are the ones that go on your refrigerator, but I'll show you how to make them into notepads that you can carry around with you. So this is the first one I made. They're all made the same. This one's like a to-do list, and it has a pocket on the inside. Then we have one that's made like this. It's Miracles All Around Us. This is very beautiful. Very beautiful paper. We have one with the fruits and things to do. And then the last one is notes with the butterflies as a pocket. And then all of them do have magnetic closures. Yeah, so this is the one we're going to make today. These are the magnetic ones you get from the Dollar Tree, as I say. And they go in the refrigerator. So we're going to start off with making this one. The paper is cut at 8.5 by 11. And then you need another size that's 4.5 by 4.5. This is for the pocket. So let's get started. I'm going to bring out the scoreboard. And you're going to score on your long side. You're going to score, I think it's 3 11/16. This is the score, this is the inches between the 5/8 and the 7/8. I'm not too sure about what you call it, but it's the notch between the 5/8 and the 7/8. This is scoring there. And then we're going to score at 4 1/8. 8 1/8, 8.5, and 9 7/8. Okay, and then for your 4.5-inch pocket, you're going to score. It's going to be like a 1/2 inch on each side. You just turn it and score these. I pre-did this one earlier, but yes, it's just a 1/2 inch. Right. Okay. So that's all the scoring we need to do. And now we're going to fold and varnish our score lines. This is some pretty good paper. This is from a paper pad that I got at Michael's. It's called Garden Party, and it had 48 different sheets in it. Very beautiful paper. Very beautiful. I hope everyone is enjoying their Sunday. I decided to just relax a little bit. Crafting really relaxes me. I hope it does the same for you. I could just have the worst day, and I can come home and grab some paper and start crafting, and it's like everything is all right. Okay, so we're almost there. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put the pocket, we're going to glue the pocket on. So we're going to fold this, we'll fold these sides down. And I'm going to minor just the corners of the pockets. Just cut off here and here. And here. And here. And we'll get some Tombow. I should have had it ready because I ran out last night. I was doing a few things, so I forgot to do my glue. The other Tombow, I was really squeezing it out. But I like to be prepared. So we're going to just put a little glue here and here. And we're going to fold this over. Yeah. Hold it down so it can stick. It doesn't take long to make this. Once you start making them, it's like an assembly line and very addictive. Most of the things I do, I get addicted to. I love just making crafts. Like I say, it's really a stress reliever. We're going to fold this down. And what I like about using wet glue is that it gives you movement, you know, as opposed to without sticky tape and everything, which all adhesives are great. They're all for a purpose. I love them all. Put this down. Oh, did it too rough. Try to seal this down. Just got that going. And next we're going to put the tab on now. All you do is you can lift this up. Don't worry about it messing up back there because this will be sealed down. So we're going to put a little Tombow on the back of it. Place this over in here like so. Just trying to make it even. It's beautiful already. This is a beautiful paper. Okay. Now we're going to take our magnet and we're going to cut it. I usually cut them pretty small, but you can cut it like because you want it to be able to stick. So I'm going to cut it pretty good because it's going to hide behind here anyway. So you can kind of measure it up. I'm cutting it by eye. Yeah. There we go. And one more. So we're going to lay this down. Make sure these parts stick together. Put a little Tombow. I suggest you leave the little paper on the back so you know which side to stick down because I did that before and then I couldn't figure out. I had to take it all loose. I did the wrong thing and yeah. But yeah. Yep. So it's some great, I want to say some great crafters on YouTube too. Oh my God, I've learned so much. I've learned so many tricks and trades, and I just want to say you guys are very talented, very talented. And I am just so happy that I've learned locally and, you know, US and UK. Everyone is phenomenal with their talent. So we're going to just put that down. Get my bone folder, kind of help it out a little bit. Yep. And then what we do to match it up, we'll take it, find your, and lay it on there like so. And then we'll put some Tombow or whatever glue you use. I like Tombow. I did the art glitter glue. I bought some and I can't find it. Fold it over and bring it down. Yeah, I bought the art glitter glue because it has that little steel tip on the end, and for the life of me, I can't find it. I'm just gonna order some more. But I hear that's some pretty good glue as well. And then you lift this up, and now we're going to cover here. Just need like a piece of something. I'm gonna cut where that flower is and lay it up there. And then down here, I'll cut a piece of the green just to kind of, you know, coincide with the color. Some Tombow on here. That's there. And then this one here, we're gonna lay it like so. I really enjoy making these. Then I'm getting ready for a craft show too, so that would be good. Always, if you have the craft fairs, just always have your stock ready. Because sometimes you have like unexpected fairs coming up. And then I fussy cut another rose. I think I'm going to do it like that. And then, you know, you put whatever, trying to see which way should it go. I think we should do it like that. Whatever the sentiment is, what it's saying, I usually just take a piece off of there and put it so you know what book you have. And then I'm going to put some dimensionals on here. I'm going to bring this up. Where are my dimensionals? One moment. To give it a little height. These are dimensionals from Stampin' Up. I love, love, love these things. Oh my God, they are just great. So put some dimensionals on it, and I'm going to stick it up. And I'm going to stick it on the book. And there you have it. How adorable is that? Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. You like, open, and there you have it. The pocket. Yep, so these are the other ones that I made. And again, if you like them, stop in. I would love for you to share this project. I just put my take on it. I'm sure there's some out there that are really very, very good. Because like I said, some very talented people on, very talented crafters on YouTube. And again, thanks to my new subscribers. And you guys enjoy your rest of your Sunday. And I'll see you back tomorrow for a showing or a tutorial. Sparkling Char signing off. Bye now.